Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. My name is Erin Cranston. I'm with Denver Yoga Social. Today we're at Bierstadt Lager House, and I'm here to help you break down the pose Sanchalanasana, high lunge pose. You're going to start at the top of your mat, feet hip-width distance apart. Press down through your heels and spread your toes. Inhale, draw your right knee up towards your chest. As you exhale, take a big step back towards the back side of your mat. Engaging through your feet, press your back heel up over the ball mound of your foot. Feel the strength hugging in between your thighs. From here, extend your arms up overhead, lengthen through your side bodies. My friends, this is a back bend, so the more you lean back, the more you engage your back leg to support your back bend and keep your body nice and safe in the pose. Taking a few deep breaths, shining and radiating through heart center, reaching through your fingertips. As you exhale, hands can come to heart center and you can switch sides. Thanks for joining me.